Welcome to the Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with egg family. Now, I am here to teach you 3-letter CVC words along with N family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know that CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, children, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, very good. Here we go. Letter E. E makes the sound A. Letter N. N makes the sound N. Letter E and N together makes the sound N. A. N. N. Now we are going to learn words with N sound. D. N. Den. D. N. Den. H. N. Hen. H. N. Hen. M. N. Men. M. N. Men. P. N. Pen. P. N. Pen. Children, what we are going to do now? Yes, very good. We are going to practice some more words. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Let's practice. Ben. 10. Zen. Children, it's our review time. Read with me. Ben. Den. Hen. Men. Pen. Ten. Zen. Children, don't forget to practice these words every day. I hope we all had fun reading today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.